we are at Irwindale Speedway. Today is actually Formula Drift again. But today it's at Irwindale Speedway. The last one was at Long Beach. This is at Irwindale. This one's sick because you get to be in the stands and you can see everything. It's gonna be sick. I love Formula Drift. I think so, yeah. Look at this.
Into the transition past that inner clip. Into that second outer zone, the inner oval.
Oh my God.
Bonke Jr. goes all the way out there. Ken Gucci taking a look.
Guys, this kid is 16 years old. Right here, in the BMW. I think it's like an M4. Guys, he's 16 years old in that BMW. Yeah, guys, he's 16. I didn't even have a freaking driver's license when I was 16, bro. I didn't get my license until I was 18. And this kid's in Formula Drift, professional drifting. I don't even know what I was doing when I was 16, bro. I was definitely not a professional drifter, though. I was probably riding my BMX bike at a skate park. The yellow one's a Ferrari. God damn. It's hard to hear it over the loud ass Mustang, but the Ferrari does sound sick. E46. Look at this, guys. Dylan Hughes. Yeah, same motor as me, I think. I'm sure it's a turbo too, right? Or is it stock motor? I doubt it, bro. It's probably like a bottom mount turbo. Sheesh. No dash. I know, it's like no dash. There's so much room. Adam LZ. S15. I met Adam LZ one time, bro. You were there with me, huh?
Long, like years ago.
We met him when I had my E92, bro. That was so long ago. I don't think he would recognize me. This car is sick, though. Look at this trailer, bro. That's goals. Oh my God, look at this thing. I love drift cars, bro. Like, drift cars are so crazy how they're built. And I got one, kinda.
Yeah, you do. You don't fucking drive it.
I don't drive it, though. But I have one. Guys, how crazy is it? I guess it's an E46 shell, and you put an M4 body kit on it. Should I do it? Sounds crazy. Oh my God. The Antilac shit.
Like Sam.
It's just like Sam's.
Some popcorn?
Standing right here, you can really see how fast they're actually going. Like, they're flying, bro. Straight into the wall, man. Guys, what if a car hits this wall and flies over the fence and me and Jordan are dead? For sure. Oh, they're going so fast. That shit is crazy. This is goals right here. E46. So freaking sick. Bro, that's a Street Fighter kit too. I want to do this wide body kit. I still want to do it, bro. That should be so sick. If I wide body mine, get a hood, a front bumper. I want mine to look just like this, bro. And then maybe even do a livery of something kind of like this with some logos on it, 412, some other companies that supported the build. I think that'll be freaking sick. Maybe a big old FN logo in the front. You guys think about pour some of this in the GTR? Or yeah. What do you think will happen? There's a lot of people up there. What do you say? A lot of iPhones. The E46, dude. Mustang and E46. Oh, he crashed the Mustang. Come on, Jordan. The Mustang crashed. Bro, I think he spun out, bro. Oh, he hit him. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken, I think the Z is a GTR motor. I think it has a GTR motor in it. Sheesh. That shit's badass, bro. Is it a GTR motor? I don't know. It sounds beefy as fuck if it is, dude. That shit sounds crazy.
No, that's 185.
Yeah, that's like special gas and that shit. Look at this thing, dude. This shit is so crazy. Damn, bro. That's 15 BMX bikes. This shit is sick, bro. Right-hand drive. Bro, look at the Alcantara dash too. Like, that would be so sick to have. I should do that. He has air vents? I wonder if they work. Both of them are like some of the best ones here. Oh, their car sounds so crazy. Crazy ass burnout.
Yeah, almost another golf cart, but congratulations to Frederick Oswald. You're 2021 over the trip champion. You did it at 20.
They're 20. They look sick. Falcon tire deliveries. Alright guys, he's in a lap too right here. Literally the best guy. They're literally touching each other. Literally, they're door to door, bro. On their door. That was the last run. Uber? Our Uber for today. Uber.
Was that open?
Charles stole Sam's car. Bradley Martin vlog?
Boys hitting the weights over here.
Okay guys, I thought it would be cool to vlog. I'm starting to go to the gym with Jordan and David. Damn! I'm trying to get big, bro. So I'm starting to go to the gym. I don't know, maybe it would be cool to vlog.
Lifestyle.
Today, what we're doing, Jordan?
We're following your program today, man.
Doing some
Arms.
arms.
We're doing straight arms today.
I need some traction.
Still warming up. Throwing up the weight.
I'm trying to look like this guy. If I see us recording. Anyways, we're at the gym. It's like my second week at the gym. I'm way too skinny, bro. I'm trying to get buff. Bro, that dude is huge. Kind of looks like me, bro. That's how my arms look, guys. Under my sweater.
Thick, bro. God damn.
It's thick? You like it? Damn, we all got the merch on? GTR merch? Oh, you do have the GTR merch. We're starting off with some bicep curls on this machine.
My boy's still on the phone.
What about taking R34?
You have an R34?
Yeah.
GTR?
Mm-hmm.
I've never seen it, man.
It's in storage.
I'm already fucking on stuff. I'm going hard already. I like the song.
Yeah, worst song ever in the gym.
I don't know what they play in this gym, but
Keep the sandals.
some curls.
He's wearing a one-piece suit.
We're doing some curls.
You went 2010, man.
Why are you guys trusting each other? And then over here we're doing some what is this? Forearms? Kinda?
It's harder. Hey, what's this? What's your other side of your arm? Oh, good thing you don't have it because he has pretty small arms. You don't want to.
You're too small, bro. Give me that 100.
The car is gone here.
Hold on. Look, I brought my vlog camera. No SD card.
He's tripping. Hey, you drive your mask, Jordan.
Do I look like Bradley Martin?
You can't tell right now. You're covered up.
There you go, David.
Oh yeah, put the jacket back on, man.
Why?
You're way too small.
You too small?
Too small, man.
You guys don't want me to take my jacket off, bro. You feeling big? A little bit. Can you get big, huh?
Nope. If you keep working out with this guy, no. But you keep working out with me, yeah.
I'm already dead. Not gonna lie.
I'm gonna start coming here with earpods. You guys are bullshitting me too much.
You don't like this music?
Fuck no. Can't even look at this shit.
But David's looking big, bro.
Hey, buddy, do you train legs? Just do curls with those, yeah. There you go.
Oh, my arm.
Come on, bring it up. Bring it up. Five.
Come on, you're dead.
There you go. Hello.
Guys, we're done. Look. I'm getting big on.
You do look a little bigger. I don't know if it's just the camera.
Might be the shirt or what? Where's the camera?
The camera.
We're done. These fools wanted to end early. That was a good workout?
It was a lazy day, man.
Not me. I got a good workout.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Boy, y'all catching